welcome back to Stoke Quarry Adventures. Just a quick update on the pond and a few bits of work done on the drum. Yeah, so welcome back, sit back, enjoy. Alright, try this again. So this was leaking yesterday when I did a filter clean. What I've done is tighten these up. Didn't manage to get a span underneath, but tightened these up. Don't know if it was necessary to tighten that, but there were little slackness in them. The back ones seem fine, so I'll just try and get a picture. So yeah, so all I've done is tighten that, and I don't know if it just sealed itself since it's been running. I had a power cut in the night, which is typical, so that was about 1 o'clock this morning. Levels just right, load of crap in it already. So yeah, I don't know if it just sealed itself or if tightening them up has done the trick, but I'm going to have to keep an eye on that until I get the drum in, which hopefully when I get the drum in I might be able to put the 4-inch bull valve in instead of the slide valve. It means cutting that out, which might be a bit of a pain. I'll have to extend the pipe somehow. But yeah, so I'll have to figure it out when I put the drum in, which is going to be interesting. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm just going to, well, I'm just fitting the float switch on the drum filter. There was one put on by like a aftermarket thing, so I'll put the original one back on. And I've got to put the screen on. So yeah, so I'll get back to you in a bit. Right everybody, all I've got to do today is fit the float switch and the screen. So yeah, so float switch is going here. There's a hole in there, but it doesn't go all the way through, so I've asked Andy Darbycoy, and he's kindly sent me the measurements. So that's fitted now. I filled the holes with CT1 and them two as well. Fitted the tray back in. It's nice and clean in there, there's a little bit of water, but that's okay. So we're just going to get these screws out now to get the new screen in. Still got to get this off, so I'm just going to cut it there, because you never know when these leads come in. Right, so far so good. That's soft tappers. These are the screws I've used. So yeah, these are the smaller ones, which are these here. It's got a washer on as well, little washers. So yeah, alright. Say that stainless steel. See it. Yeah, there, look. Stainless steel. So should be okay. I did get some pins as well, but didn't want drill straight through, so I'll say there's no, it hasn't come through, which is great, and it's nice and solid. And where the cable comes through, there's a big hole. It is above water, but do people put grommets in there? I don't know. I'll say it's nice and clean now, which is good. I'll say I'll get the screen in, and then the next thing, it won't be on this video, but is getting all the bits and fitting it. I've got a wash pump as well to go on. So what I'm guessing is waste goes the bottom drain goes in there, and the outlet is on the other side. There is 2 outlets. And then the UV. So if that is the outlet, I might put the skimmer line on there, and the pond from the other one. Yeah, something to think about. Anyway, I'm gonna get the screen. See you in a minute. So yeah, this is the screen. When you take the end off, but I haven't unwrapped it. Now this was from can't think where it's from. I'll find out. I'll put a note here. But it took a couple of days to come. Same with the float switch. Super well packed, that's for sure. Just on fire a minute, I'll just put it down. Sorry about that. Scissors. Oh well. So I've gone for the high flow one. Recommended. But nice and new. I need 2 hands. So I'll put you down for a minute, I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, first time out the box and it's broke. Snap there, middle, and across there. Now I don't know what the returns are on this, I've just got a cut in the screen. So after all that, I should have taken it out as soon as it come, but I wasn't ready for it, so I didn't want to disturb it. So yeah, it looks like it's been cut somehow, I don't know. £75 these are. So I can't fit it. I'll have to get in touch with them and see what they can do. Gutted. Right, I'll get back to you in a bit, guys. Alright, so that's there. Can't use it. Typical. I say I'm not ready to fit it yet, I suppose, but it'd be nice to get it all in and ready. So I'm going to take this off. Absolutely gutted. I had it end of August, so I'm hoping they'll just replace it. That's what you get for not opening it as soon as you get it. Thought it'd be better just kept in the packaging, not disturbed. What a stupid mistake that was. So I've just got weights on. I'm getting back to me now. I had stupidly sent the email to the wrong place, but they were quick to give me a ring. Couldn't apologise enough. So I always double check. You order that many things. So I can take this off, fill that hole in, and I'm going to see what stuff I've got here. So yeah, at least that's in. That tripped the electric last night. I've just got water in there, which is a pain. It's back up and running now. So yeah, I need to treat the pond again for Kostya. Now the water level stayed okay, so I'll stick that in. So I'm going to mix it up and I'll get back to you. Right, so yeah, problems after problems. It just seems like one thing after another these days, but hey, I suppose it's part of the hobby. Managed to get everything working again after the power cut in the night. Yeah, so that much rain, it must have triggered something, I don't know. Yeah, so I'll keep you informed about the screen. Hopefully they can replace it. But there you go. Always check the package as soon as it comes. I've left it 3-4 weeks. But I thought it'd be safe in there. It's flat packed, well packaged, so I ain't got a clue how it's done it. When I had a quick look when it did come, it looked fine. So I don't know. It must have, well, then again, I didn't even open it properly. I just saw one end. So it must have been broken transit. I ain't got a clue. So fingers crossed they replace it. And say £75 is a lot of money. So yeah, note to self, check everything as soon as it comes. So yeah, anyway, I'll keep you a check I'll keep you in touch. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll put a quick short out or something. So yeah, after all that rain, sunny Sunday, so I'm going to treat the koi again, put the treatment in, and go from there. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Please subscribe if you aren't. Hit the thumbs, means a lot, doesn't cost anything. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, take care.